Why you feel stuck. Many English learners feel the same pain. They say, I understand English, but I can't speak. Maybe this is you. You listen to English videos. You read English books. You know many words. But when someone asks you a question in English, your mind becomes empty. Your heart beats fast. Your mouth closes. This does not mean you are bad at English. It means you are afraid. And fear is very common. You are not alone. Part 2. The fear of mistakes. Most learners are afraid of one thing: mistakes. They think, what if I say it wrong? What if people laugh? What if I sound stupid? So they choose silence. Silence feels safe, but silence is dangerous because silence stops growth. Let me say this slowly. Mistakes will not destroy you. Silence will.
Part 3. Confidence is not the beginning. Many people say, I will speak English when I feel confident. This sounds logical, but it is wrong. Confidence does not come first. Confidence comes after action, after trying, after failing, after speaking again. Confidence is a result, not a requirement. Part 4. Courage comes first. Courage is different from confidence. Confidence says, I am ready. Courage says, I am afraid, but I will try. You do not need to feel ready. You only need to be brave enough to start. One sentence. That is enough. Part 5. Broken English is powerful. Listen to me carefully. Broken English is not weak. Broken English is powerful. Why? Because broken English means you spoke. Perfect silence means nothing. Every fluent speaker was once a broken speaker. They did not wait. They spoke.
Part 6. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. You do not need fast English. You do not need difficult words. You need clear English. Slow English is good English. Simple English is strong English. Clarity is more important than speed. Part 7. Speak to yourself. You may say, I have no one to practice with. That is okay. You have yourself. Speak to yourself. In the mirror, in your room, while walking, while cooking. Your brain is listening. Your brain is learning. Part 8. Your mouth needs practice. Speaking English is physical. Your mouth needs training. You cannot train your mouth by staying silent. Speak daily, even 5 minutes. Movement creates fluency.
Part 9. One sentence rule. Today, speak one sentence. Tomorrow, speak two. Next week, speak a paragraph. Do not rush. Do not compare. Small steps are real progress. Part 10. Stop comparing yourself. Do not compare yourself to fluent speakers. Compare yourself to yesterday. If today you speak more than yesterday, you are winning. Part 11. Fear means growth. If you feel afraid, that means English matters to you. Fear means growth is close. Courage means speaking even when fear is present. Part 12. You don't need a perfect accent. Accent does not matter. Message matters. People understand effort. They respect courage. Be proud of your accent. It shows your journey. Part 13. English is a tool, not a test. English is not an exam. English is a tool to express ideas, a tool to share dreams, a tool to connect with the world. Use it, even imperfectly. Part 14. Daily affirmations. Say this slowly. I am learning English. I am improving every day. Mistakes help me grow. I am brave enough to speak. Repeat it. Believe it. Part 15. One day you will smile. One day you will speak English without fear, and you will smile. You will remember this moment, the moment you chose courage over silence. Let me remind you again. You do not need confidence to speak English. You need courage to speak before confidence comes. Speak slow. Speak simple. Speak broken. But speak, because your voice matters. And your journey starts today. Thank you. Keep going. You are doing great.